Hello again, I'm Smithy, this is my Contiki, and exactly as it says on the tin, or the thumbnail in this case, I'm going to show you how to use a surveillance camera in your van for free, including the camera. And all you need is an old phone. That's it, an old mobile phone. You need your own phone obviously, but you just need an extra old phone, and you've got a complete surveillance system for free, and I'll show you. So on both phones, I don't know if you can see that, but I'll put it over the screen on top of me. It's called Presence Video Security Camera, right? Now I've obviously downloaded it and installed it, but it's the easiest software to use. And if you put it onto two phones, car coming. If you put it onto two phones, it will ask you on each phone what is each phone for. So you put that one phone is the camera, the other one is the you know, to watch it on, and it's that simple. So we've got an old phone there. Turn this on, we'll show you how it works. Right, so that's the phone I'm using to record. All you need, obviously charger, keep it charged. That will charge it 4 times. So I'd imagine 2 or 3 days that would keep going. You only need this recording when you've parked your van and you leave your van. The only thing you need is Wi-Fi. Now if you keep it at home, use your home Wi-Fi. If somebody steps into your van, this will send you an email to say we detected motion. In the settings, you can just have it as a live view all the time, or you can go into the settings and put motion record, and it will record motion every time it gets any motion for 30 seconds. And then you get the email, or you know, and it'll tell you there's something going on in your van. You go, oh bloody hell. That's when you know it's doing its job. So that's what it looks like now as it is, but it is recording. If you touch the screen, recording, it automatically, there's me, it automatically, as it let's leave that there. If I put Presence on my, well, I've got it on both phones, so it's asking me there what I want camera wise. It knows this is the video, that's the camera. So it says waiting for camera. So it's waiting for Wi-Fi to get through to the Wi-Fi. So that's what it looks like now, waiting for camera, and then it'll come up. Right, so it's coming up now. There. That's what that is recording. The screen's gone off on that now. It is recording my van. And it tells you on this phone, this camera is being viewed remotely, which is obviously me doing it on there. So let's see if we've got any recordings. We're going into settings, videos and pictures. So that's the movement detected, what I did before. It automatically, there's me. Now don't forget, it automatically, there's me. So that's recorded the movement I made when I walked in front of that camera. So there we go. We've got Presence motion detected. So it's told me that noise that you heard before was my phone giving me an email telling me that that has detected motion. Now don't forget, I'm using the front camera on this phone there, and obviously the rear cameras, which you can alter. So let's use the rear camera. Right, and we'll turn this device round. So we're now using the rear camera. Now you can see, if I just show you, see where it's going green? That's detecting motion. That'll then send me an email that's detected motion. So let's set that up there, if I can. Right. And then we'll turn it on this one. Click Presence. And this should automatically, if you can see it, this should automatically go to that camera. So cameras and devices, that one. Right, it's going to, right. Connect to server, waiting for camera. And don't forget, Presence, it's free. It's a free app, costs nothing. There, so that's me sat there, it's recording me. So there's a delay there over Wi-Fi of what? 3 or 4 seconds. You can take still shots while you're there. Save into cloud. Everything's all free. So there you go. All you need. Free video surveillance is your phone and an old phone. And that's it. And you need the software presence on both phones. And it will ask you, got another email there telling me, image captured at 2:57 PM October 26. Your video inbox is 9% full. So I've got plenty of presence. That's all it is. Free video surveillance. Stick that in your van, and you can live view it whenever you want. If you mounted it, say, you know, if somebody steals it, they're still on the cloud. Breaks in, takes your phone, whatever. They're still on the cloud with their video, taking the phone. So set it up to detect movement and or motion, and then you can check it whenever you want. And if anybody ever breaks in your van, totally free. So we've had 2 uses for mobile phones. The first one was a free tracker that I've made a video of, and now this one, which I only learnt about yesterday, free video surveillance. So it's nonsensical. And while you're there, which I did in my last video, we are going to send my tracker. Don't forget, 40 quid at Alfred's. I can't bang on enough about having a tracker in your van. Everybody says they can block them and all this other stuff. Blockers go in the cigarette lighter, so the minute they turn the engine off to put fuel in or whatever, it'll send you where it is. I've sent the instructions to my tracker. 10 seconds, if that. So let's see where we are. Can't get this paint off. So there are. That's exactly where my phone is and where the tracker is. Look. So there you go. Presence captured an image. So there you go. Easy as that. You can't beat that for free. Even if you were to stick this in the window of your house, looking at your van, you can still monitor it in real time, all the time. So, but I would have it in your van, and whenever you leave, don't forget that this needs Wi-Fi. So some type of dongle in your van. When you've parked up, you leave your van, set that going, set on your Wi-Fi. It's on your phone. It detects movement. You're going to get an email to say it's detected movement, and ring the police or whatever you have to do. So there you go. Totally free, costs nothing, and what I can't say any more about it. It's just free. Presence on the web. Go and download it for free. Doesn't work on an iPhone 4 because Apple, when they want you to buy new iPhones, they get rid of the old ones, stop your software working. They tell the software manufacturers to stop doing updates for that type of phone, so it won't work on an Apple 4, iPhone 4. But it's available on any Android, because Android, the software just works all the time. They're not like Apple turning stuff off. I've had an iPad mini, and they both don't work anymore because obviously Apple keep updating, so they want you to get new ones. Anyway, so there you go. Free video surveillance, an old mobile phone. Totally free, there's no charge. And when you download that presence, the only 2 questions it asks you is your email address and create a password. That's it. And you do the same password the same password and email address on both phones. And it'll ask you on both phones, what are you using this phone for? So you press camera capture and to watch video. Simple as that. So I hope it's been of use, and stay safe, be lucky, and I'll see you soon.